Introducing adding or editing a tip in Payflex Lite. First, when you do process a transaction, there may be a prompt that allows for you to add a tip after the transaction takes place. Well, let's say there's a scenario where you need to add the tip after the fact, or maybe you need to adjust the tip. First, to do that, go ahead and log in with your 4-digit PIN, and then navigate to the 3 lines in the top left. From here, if I go down 4 sections, you can see the option for tips. Here, there are 2 additional options, untipped and tipped. For this quick order, we know that a tip has not been applied, so let's go ahead and apply a tip by clicking on the plus button. Once you tap on the plus button, you can go ahead and put in whatever you would like. Either A, you can use the percentages here, or B, you can put in your own custom option. Additionally, let's say you do have a transaction that has a tip, but the tip is incorrect. You can go into this section and adjust that. To do so, click on one of the orders that needs to be adjusted, and then change the tip amount. Once done, click Apply. And that is how you add or edit a tip on Payflex Lite.